Hello. In this video, we'll go over how to create price models using the price modeling tool in Amberflo. Price modeling allows you to visualize and compare the performance of different pricing plans side by side before deploying a plan live to production. So this works by simulating historical usage data from the metering service against the pricing plans that are being compared. So it applies the rates from those plans to that historical usage to then show you what would the performance of the plan have been under those conditions. Assuming that usage data is representative of what you would expect going forward your usage patterns to look like, you can use this model as a very reliable way to forecast usage-based pricing performance. So this is invaluable for companies operating on a usage-based model when they're going to make adjustments or changes to their pricing, and it's also incredibly valuable for companies who are just beginning the journey towards usage-based pricing and they need to figure out what does that first draft of pricing look like. So you can analyze a single plan and drill into, at the top line, how does the revenue appear. You can also drill into more detailed by product item or line item on the invoice. How are those line items contributing to the top line amount? And you can see how each respective customer is impacted by the proposed pricing plan. You can save the model in Amberflo so it's always accessible from the price modeling tab, and you can share it throughout your team from in Amberflo or by sharing a URL. You can also export the model as a CSV file for further analysis outside of Amberflo and additional tools. So we'll leave and go show how does this look in Amberflo. We go to price modeling from analytics on the side nav menu. We can create a pricing model. In this case, we'll just modify an existing one. So you give the model a name. You select the plan that you're going to be comparing. If you want to change any of the rates to the pricing plan, you can do that from directly in the plan or directly within the modeling tool. So suppose we want to change this rate. The model will run and show what the output would have been with this rate. And then if we want to test out a different pricing change to this, suppose we want to change this value, we can do that, and the output will be shown. Like so. We can also add another plan to be compared. So we can show the side-by-side result of these plans. Shown here in both the graph view and the table view by day. We can modify how this data is shown in the time series that it's presented over. And then we can also drill in, as we said, to the more detailed product item view or see individually how each customer is impacted.